Hello, my name is Mark Hubbs with AMATROL. We're located here in Jeffersonville, Indiana, in the U.S. And I'd like to talk to you today a little bit about one of our newer products, the 990 SM10 Smart Manufacturing Learning System. The system was developed in partnership with SESME, the Smart Manufacturing Institute, to help promote smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 technologies in the U.S., funded by the U.S. Government Department of Energy. So the result of the partnership with SESME to help promote hands-on learning from industry customers to education, from the very basic to the more advanced user. So at the heart of this system, using industrial components and applications built into a portable training system that can easily be taken from site to site, in concert with the BoardConnect software for data analytics and Industry 4.0. So after the login screen, the landing site for BoardConnect is the dashboard. So we can monitor all the different applications that we have using the 990 SM10 hardware. So in the hardware, we do have PLC control for temperature applications, as well as the BoardConnect node and hub, which communicates with the BoardConnect monitoring software. So some of the applications, I'll just go around the system here. Starting with the built-in current sensor, which is going to monitor the power consumed for this system, as well as an external port here for other power draw applications, and two spares here for customizable applications. At the top here, we have a load cell for parts counter and different types of parts, good for counting and optimizing batch applications. So we just have a simple barcode scanner for the different part numbers before we collect the data. We have a temperature control application here, controlled by the PLC, motor vibration with a flywheel here on the unit, and with safety we have an interlock here for safety concerns. Also we have, so these are wired devices. We have a wireless device for temperature and humidity control. That wireless, so we have it fixed on the system, but we can also simply remove it here and take it to any application with the field sensor here for the temperature and humidity. So with this being the applications, the information is then brought into the BoardConnect software. Here you can see a view of the dashboard that tie into each of the applications. So the external power consumption, incoming, motor vibration monitoring, the MQTT temperature and humidity sensor, PLC controlled temperature monitoring, production quantity, raw values, good for diagnostics, and any kind of customizable application the customer would like to use. So within each application, the information that we can collect is an example for the incoming power. We can look at power over the course of a day, peak power, the current or instantaneous power, as well as that trend. So we can pull that information and use that for optimization of power in applications in manufacturing. Another look for the external power, we have the instantaneous or current, min-max powers overall through the course of the day, as well as trending. Likewise for production quantity, using the load cell, the part ID that we use to identify using the barcode scanner to give us an accurate count. Likewise for the PLC control, we can do current temperature, min, max, and then control that over time, controlled through an HMI platform here where we can arrange that set point and establish our bandwidth. Sample here of the monitoring for vibration. Again, current, min, max. Again, all of these are customizable and editable to whatever information you like displayed. Likewise for temperature and humidity. And then the current raw data that actually comes in to the Board Connect node itself. Again, good for applications, any calibration and diagnostics that may be needed as well. So AMATROL's Smart Manufacturing Learning System, model number 990SM10, again was developed in partnership with SESME, the Smart Manufacturing Institute, to answer the call for hands-on learning in smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 technologies. Combining hardware, industrial software products and solutions, and an in-depth curriculum, this system has been designed to educate and equip learners at all levels of expertise, from the novice citizen technologist to the expert architect and implementer of smart manufacturing systems. The system covers smart manufacturing principles and technologies, starting with the most basic and continuing to the advanced. The AMATROL 990SM10 uses wired and wireless sensors, OPC unified architecture, and MQTT protocol, a PLC, several types of edge gateways, and a variety of on-premise and cloud-based infrastructure applications that facilitate both OT and IT-centric use case development and training. The AMATROL 990SM10 is an ideal training system for equipping individuals at all skill levels with the practical, hands-on skills they need to begin or advance their smart manufacturing journey, teaching them how to envision, develop, and sustain practical solutions using real-world, best-in-class smart manufacturing capabilities and methodologies.